Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to unlock smart features and monitor important information from your phone, connecting your HIBOY S2 scooter to the mobile app is a great place to start. The app allows the HIBOY S2 scooter to communicate with your smartphone so you can access settings, check battery status, and customize certain functions. Fortunately, the pairing process is simple and usually takes only a few minutes. As long as Bluetooth is enabled and the scooter is powered on, the connection can be completed quickly. In this video, I'll guide you through several easy steps that may help you connect your HIBOY S2 scooter to the mobile app successfully. Try these. Step 1. Turn on the HIBOY S2 scooter and make sure it has enough battery power. Step 2. Enable Bluetooth on your smartphone before connecting to the HIBOY S2 scooter. Step 3. Open the companion application designed for the HIBOY S2 scooter. Step 4. Search for nearby devices and choose the HIBOY S2 scooter from the list. Step 5. Wait for the HIBOY S2 scooter to complete the pairing process. Step 6. Confirm that the HIBOY S2 scooter is connected successfully.